Welcome to Centennial Parklands, Moore Park. So we're going to head up to the Centennial Park Entertainment Quarter. Looks like it's quite busy here, a lot of cars parked around everywhere. Maybe there's some sort of thing going on today. A couple of people are running around doing exercise, great. Always good to see people outside. So we just arrived to Centennial Park, adjacent to Moore Park, Randwick. So we're heading down to the Centennial Park Entertainment Quarter. And unfortunately the sidewalk is full of cobblestones, which does make wheeling a little bit difficult, hitting every single bump. So I'm not quite sure what that building is. I believe it is the Sydney Cricket Ground. We'll have a look to find out if it actually is. Impatient prick. Fuck. I'm bad. Oh, sorry about that. What's going on over there? Jeez. Car's not so safe. here at Centennial Park, Park. We have Disney Studios Australia. Wow, okay. It looks like they're filming over the side there as well. Unfortunately, this footpath on this side is very dangerous. So it's a little bit more careful to get around. So it does look like they're filming someone over there on the fly production studio by the looks of it. But we'll have a look at that later on.